We're back again. Today I'm going to record a great episode of Freelance 101. You will learn how to create your profiles, you will learn how to make a great profile image and upload the profile image because freelancer.com has its quirks, and you'll learn how to put a great cover. So fun, nothing too long, and for tomorrow we'll get a vlog. So yep, let's dig into it. Okay, one disclaimer before starting. So you know that I'm doing 365 videos in 365 days. So simple math would be, if we have like Freelance Series 101 once a week, it's 52 episodes in this challenge. So because this is 101, meaning total basics, we need to use those 52 episodes to spread out the content, so it's like very light. So it's very light to digest, so we go slowly. So basically, yep, it's not going to go too fast. So in this video, don't expect too much. I will just share you how to basically open an account and put a profile picture and cover, like I said in the title. So nothing more, nothing less, because I don't want us to go too deep and have a video that is 30 minutes long, like I maybe did too much with After Effects, but I will try to be as short as possible. Thank you for understanding. We want to make this like spread out and slow through this year. So after a year, you'll really know this site in depth. That doesn't mean you can go by yourself in a month and like crush everything alone. You can. But these videos are always great to binge watch and to return if you miss some details or if you have holes in your knowledge, okay? And by the way, if you haven't, please subscribe, it means a lot. Thank you. I see that some of you have started actually subbing. That's great. It means a lot to me. If you like any of my series here, you can also see the schedule. And for those of you who don't even know me, here's a quick intro for you too. So a short intro for those who don't know me. I'm Luka. I'm based in Zagreb, Croatia. I'm a 2D animator, video editor and graphic designer with more than 5 years of experience. I'm an experienced freelancer. I did gigs for clients all over the world, hundreds of gigs. I'm also a small business owner. Recently I founded my own creative advertising agency, lpstudio. On this channel I post daily videos. Check out my channel intro to learn more. Here you'll find info tips for freelancers or online hustlers, you'll find tutorials and free goodies for creators and behind the scenes vlogs. But this is a really great channel for everyone that wants to acquire online skills that pay the bills. So let's connect and grow together. Okay, but first some legal stuff, because we need to go to the user agreement, because I need to share with you some details of their like terms. You can see the terms, but the most important out of these like 5 plus this annex is that you're not under age of 16, okay? So you can be over 15, but basically if under 18 you can even use an adult's account. So you don't have to register your own, you can use from someone who is like not a minor, who is an adult. So yep, that would be it. Also, if you can prove that you're like 16 plus, I think you can have your own account basically, because it says here. I'm telling this because sooner or later when you make money and everything, you want to withdraw money, you have to have your own card or at least PayPal. Understand? So you need to have a PayPal account and you need to prove your identity, residence and years. So yep, you will need to be 16, or you can find a person who is an adult to register an account for you. Okay, enough of the legalities, let's go further. Hi my LP Nation, so we're here, Freelancer 101, episode 2. Let us quickly go to freelancer.com, or you can do me a favor and a favor to yourself, and you can click below this video. There's a referral link. Yeah, it's an affiliate link. I know you guys hate affiliates, but we gain 15 euros, me and you, if you registered and start working through the site. So it's a win-win, really. There's no quirks or hidden secrets, etc. Let's say you click the link, and thank you for clicking the link. You will be referred to this page. You will type in your mail and your password. If you did not click the link, it will be the similar image. You will click join for work, not for hire, so you want to work, okay? Next, it will ask you to add a payment method to claim your gift. And you can add a PayPal. If you have a PayPal, is the best option for now, easiest one. Or if you have a MasterCard, it's the greatest option is to add Payoneer. Payoneer is the best MasterCard. I will also put a link, invitational link for Payoneer, so it's easier for you to register if you don't have it. But as I said, you can use PayPal. If you want to skip this step, you can just press back on your browser and then log in with the credentials you typed in with your new email and new password. So you can skip this step if you wish. And then when you finally log in, you will see this banner up, verify your payment method to claim your free gift for your 15 euros. So yeah, you can do it later, as I said. That's a confirmation of that. And this is, by the way, my testing account. I did this account just to show you the registration, okay? In the upper right corner, click this drop-down menu and choose View Profile. On the View Profile section, you have to go to Edit Profile. You'll see that you'll have to add professional headline. You see my headline here. It's my profile I don't use because I have corporate profile, so I have a leftover private profile which is not ever used, so I'm using this as an example. Then summary, you can see that in the summary you basically write down what you do, okay? And the point of this video is basically profile picture. Click edit profile picture, then click or drag to upload. You can drag the picture, but I will click it. Then you will choose appropriate picture. In my case, that would be this image. The most important thing, you see how it fits. They say that the recommended size is 280, but trust me, use 650. It will fit perfectly. Look at this. Set this profile picture. Awesome. See how it fits. Then you will go to upload cover photo. Because I don't have a paid membership here, I cannot do it, but it's the same as uploading profile picture. You click on it and then you upload it. I will send you a template. It will be in a link down below the video, which you can download to see the dimensions of the cover, so it fits great. You'll see that the cover has a lot of space on PC, at least that's visible on the sides, but will not be used in mobile version, so you have to be careful so it's not cut down. It's pretty messy. Page has its rules, but you can do it. I will send you the template. When you're done, press save. Okay, I forgot about the hourly rate because you're new. Put $10. I will put 40 here. Okay, so you basically have what you do. You have the headline, you have the username. Username is very important, don't forget that. Then, this is not yet important for you. You should verify your payment method to receive that bonus, 15 euro bonus, phone, email, and connect to Facebook for starters. We'll go in details later. And last but not least, you'll go to your user settings. It's in the upper right corner, and you will choose that your account is for work, not for hire. If you didn't, check it. If it's checked that it's for work, okay. If you like this video and it was useful to you, please comment below. If you have additional questions, also comment below. If you have ideas for the next videos, please
If you like this video, also don't forget to sub, it means really a lot. I know I'm a bit boring with this sub, but yeah, that's a sign that you support my work. Thank you very much, my LP Nation, and see you in the next episode of Online Skills That Pay the Bills. It was your guy, LP.